So, my dear friends, today again it is Sunday. We are here,
ओके सर
and
संडे भी है हॉलीडे।
yes, Saturday.
संडे तो सब
Saturday. I
छुट्टी
was,
होगी
I
ना।
was, I was checking you. I was
सर वो तो
observing whether you are serious or not, but I found that you are serious.
सर वो तो गणित का मास्टर चेक करते हैं।
कोई बात नहीं, सभी करते हैं, हम भी करते हैं, ठीक है? So, and it is very good that some of you have given their names. How do you celebrate your birthday? How did you celebrate? No, I am not saying how did you. How do you celebrate your birthday in general way? So this is today's topic, and I think you are ready. And yes, very good. I have got so many names. Come on, shabash. So we are starting today's session. टॉपिक तो कुछ और ही सोच रखा था मैंने आज, पर क्या करें अब।
वो वाला टॉपिक पे वो बुलवाओ
अरे
ना।
वो छोड़ो आप, अब तो ये आ गया, आ जाओ। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम कॉलिंग गौरव।
ए मैं हूँ।
कौन है, कहाँ है?
रोहित हूँ।
कहाँ है? तेरे से पहले गौरव का 2 बार लिखा हुआ है। गौरव फॉर स्पीकिंग, और फिर 555 भी लिख दिया। गौरव गौरव फॉर स्पीकिंग। अब बोल लेने दे उसको, नहीं बच्चे का दिल टूट
सर
जाएगा।
आपने कहा था लास्ट में बोलेगा।
नहीं नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, उसका बच्चे का दिल टूट जाएगा, छोटा सा वैसे ही है वो भी। उसकी फिर दूध दूध पिएगा, वो बोतल वोटल धुल रही है उसके भी, है ना। आ जा बेटा, आ जा। और सही ढंग से अपनी शक्ल देखा पहले तो। ये पहले कंडीशन दी थी मैंने, दांत मत निकाले। अब बोल, चालू कर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Gaurav here. I'm a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. My today's topic is how do I celebrate my birthday? First of all, I woke up and
वोकअप
get
नहीं,
ready.
वेकअप गधे, सुगले।
I wake up in and wear my informal dresses and go to school and then I distribute toffees to hungry children because they are always hungry and always saying that I am your friend, so give multiple chocolate. So I don't give them multiple chocolate because if I multiple
Your voice is so much disturbing. Make it
will be
okay.
empty. I and I come and and
Your voice is not clear.
and
ठीक करके आओ इसको दोबारा से।
yes.
नो, नहीं आ रही, बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टरबेंस हो रहा है। इसको ठीक करके आओ जब तक। यस, कम ऑन रोहित।
Yes sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav and today I'm going to tell you about birthday and my celebration of birthday. As you all know that our birthday is the most enjoyable and the best day for us because on this day no one is there who can rebuke us and everyone loves us on this day a lot and on our birthday we do a lot of things like we go to many temples for puja for worship and also we go to some places to visit on my birthday I went to
इवेंट
Hawa
में प्रेजेंट में
Mahal.
तो बोलना है, कैसे मनाते हो आप? पास्ट को क्यों यूज कर रहे हो?
क्या मतलब बता रहा हूँ एक जनरल की कैसे कहाँ जा सकते हैं।
जाता हूँ तो ये बोले, जनरल बता रहे तो पास्ट में कैसे चला जाए? गया था वो गया, वो तो पास्ट की बात बता रहा
यस सर।
है।
Yes. Okay, sir. I want to go to the place like I want to go to the places like Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar in the city in the Jaipur to celebrate my birthday and as you all know that there is on birthday we usually cut cake and that on according to my view that is not a good thing. We should celebrate your birthday with the normal people on the road which are not having the food to eat. We should celebrate the birthday with them and also give them some food to eat that we are eating and birthdays are the most important day because on our birthdays we get a lot of gifts from our friends, relatives, and that are it is very amusing to open all these gifts.
Hmm.
So in common, everyone likes their birthday, and the day is very important. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, क्या नाम है इसका?
और
चलो. हाँ, गौरव आ रहा है क्या? गौरव नहीं है अभी. चलो हर्ष, तुम बोलो.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today my topic is how I celebrate my birthday. So first of all, I will tell you what is a birthday. A birthday is a day on which we are born, and everyone celebrates their birthday after every 1 year of their day of their birth date.
Hmm.
And generally, I don't like to celebrate my birthday because I think it is not a. I think celebrating birthday is not good because I do not like overreacting on anything.
Hmm.
I, I I want to live my life simply, not doing anything, just studying and living my life simply.
Hmm.
But my parents celebrate my birthday because they want my birthday to be celebrated. So I usually go to school and distribute uh, distribute chocolates to teachers and toffees to my classmates.
Hmm.
And then after coming back from school, I follow my daily routine, and at night I go for a meal with my family
Hmm.
to take some photos to upload on the status that I celebrated my birthday.
Hmm.
Um, but uh, but the main thing, but I want to celebrate my birthday in a way that many person can join it and celebrate it with me
Hmm.
because it is a true feel of happiness. That's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. ये मीना बाई की आईडी से कौन है भाई? जिसकी आईडी है बेटा?
सर गर्वित.
हैं? गर्वित. ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है. यस, गौरव अभी आया नहीं है. यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग कबीर.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is how I celebrate my birthday.
Hmm.
So, first of all, I wake up and go to bathroom to take bath.
Hmm.
And then when I come, all started me to wish happy birthday.
स्टार्टेड क्यों? स्टार्ट ही तो आएगा.
All start to wish me happy birthday.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे बोला करो. हाँ.
Then I eat very delicious food.
Hmm.
uh, and then my mother gives me some gift and money.
Hmm.
uh, and then I go to and then I go to outside with my friends.
Hmm.
And we go to Akshapatra with cycle
On cycle.
on cycle, and then we come home and started enjoying my
अरे
birthday.
स्टार्टेड क्यों बोल रहा है? प्रेजेंट में तो आएगा, स्टार्ट ही तो आएगा.
Start enjoying my birthday.
Hmm.
First of all, we mix our money and take some and सब चीज लाते हैं खाने की.
Purchase something.
Purchase something for eat.
Hmm.
And then in the evening, my family members start to plan my birthday
Hmm.
celebration.
Hmm.
We in evening we also eat many delicious food.
Hmm.
And then we cut the cake and give to all.
Hmm.
Uh, Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, आज अच्छे से बोला है, वेरी गुड. सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am a student of the Raman on interactive classes from 16. And today I am here with a new topic whose name is birthday celebration.
Hmm.
So, first of all, I want to tell you the meaning of birthday. What is it?
Hmm.
This is the day when we are born,
Hmm.
and this day we celebrate as a uh, happy day, and this day we get happiness.
Hmm.
And this day we are free from all the tension, stress.
Hmm.
And I think that birthday is also important in our life because it give us a chance to meet with our family
Hmm.
members and relatives, and also with our friends,
Hmm.
and to talk with all.
Hmm.
And my birthday comes on 15 September
Hmm.
of and my full birthday full birthday date is 15 September 2008.
कंप्लीट
And
लिखना है, कंप्लीट बर्थ डेट. हाँ,
okay,
फुल
complete
की जगह
birthday.
कंप्लीट. हाँ.
Okay, sir. Uh, and first of all, I get up and then I go to my parents and take bless of them, and they wish me. And I took bath
टेक
and
टेक.
yes sir, yes sir. I take bath and then I go to temple for worship.
Hmm.
And at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, I feed grass to Gomata, and if possible, I feed food some people who are needed.
Hmm.
And in the evening, my family, my parents plan for my birthday celebration,
हाँ.
and I invite to all my relatives and friends, and we gather in the evening,
Hmm.
and my mother cooks special food like dal bati,
Hmm.
and my father brings cake, and I cut it, and it is distributed to all,
Hmm.
and all wish me happy birthday, and they also give me gifts or some money.
Hmm.
So in this way I celebrate my birthday. So that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling how I celebrate my birthday. So we know that a birthday of a person is that day when the person takes birth in the world, and this is a very special day for all, and everyone celebrates his or her birthday in different ways. And today I'm telling how I celebrate my birthday.
Hmm.
And so first of all, I wake up in the morning, and I get ready, and after I take blessings of my parents and elders, and also they wish me a very happy birthday,
Hmm.
and and my relatives also wish me a very happy birthday. And birthday is a day when you get a chance to talk with the persons who you know, and
Hmm.
and uh, and at the day I do nothing but
Hmm.
uh, and uh, and uh, and in the evening I play, but and in night I invite my friends also, and I with my family and friends cut cake, and eat, and on my birthday my mother makes a delicious meal, and then
Hmm.
and then we all eat the delicious meal together, and this way I celebrate my birthday, sir. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today my topic is how I celebrate my birthday. So on my birthday morning, I get up early in the morning and take bath, and after it I go go temple for worship the God. After it, I come back my home and check who wish me. First, in every birthday, my siblings wish me first, and after my parents. Then I check who call me and reply them. Uh, after it I post status, story, etc., and go go and ready for school and go school. In the school I give toffee to my friends and teachers. uh, After it I come back my home. Mostly my birthday come when the navratras running, due to which my parents and my whole family uh, whole family is very busy. Because my father is a shopkeeper, season shopkeeper. Due to Navratra season, my father stay busy, and my mother and my whole family also stay busy. The birthday is the source of gather together for my gather
Get
for
together.
my get together for my family. But during Navratras it cannot be possible. uh, but sometimes my birthday do not come when the
Come.
Navratras running. On this time, my whole family gather together and celebrate my birthday. My father bring cake for me, and I cut it, and we spend time with each other, do gossips, and at the 9 to 10 p.m. we go for a walk and eat ice cream. After it, we come back home, play cards, Ludo, etc. Uh, this way I celebrate my birthday. In each and every condition, I enjoy my birthday very much, because it is my day. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma. I am the student of Ramban Online classes from batch 11, and today our topic is birthday celebration. We all know that the birthday is a very special day for all, and on this day all people feel very happy, and most of the people celebrate their birthday, and children, most of the children feel happy on this day, and they go to school and they bring many chocolates and toffees for
शाबाश.
distributing in the schools for their teachers and students, etc. And I celebrate my birthday with my family and relatives also. And uh, at night 12 a.m. I cut cake my family, and then we sleep again, and uh, in the morning I wake up early in the morning, and we then I take breakfast with my family, and that breakfast is very special for me, because it brings from my father, and my father bring my favorite breakfast all that time. And and then our whole day is going on normal day, but at evening at night we invite my relatives and friends also, and my mom and my
my grandmother and Chachi also prepared special food for all relatives and guests. And and then I cut cake with my friends, family members, and I offer cakes for to all, and
Shabash.
all all family members and friends give me gifts and offer cake me also,
Hmm.
and then we eat food together, and that moment is very special for me because that time our family members look very happy and they enjoy very much with together, and and it is time when we feel very happy. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया फ्लो आ गया तेरा. कीप इट अप बेटा, शाबाश. लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is birth. How you celebrate birthday.
Hmm.
It is a very important day for all
Hmm.
because this day all the person remain happy and they celebrate their birthday.
Hmm.
And it this day I I get a lot of wishes
Hmm.
from my
शाबाश.
and family members
Hmm.
at 12 p.m. and I speak them thank you, and in the morning I wake up early. I wake up early in the morning. Then I go to temple. Then it this day this day this day I go to I go to I go for visit with my family and my friends. It it is the special day for me, and when I celebrate my birthday, so I receive a lot of gift from my friends, and my birthday come in March,
Hmm.
and this time I did not celebrate my birthday
शाबाश.
because during of exam, and 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 I spent my time with my family and my friends, and I usually start this day with simple breakfast,
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. Hmm.
and I remain happy on this day.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. वैष्णवी आ जाओ.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today we have a speaking session. And today's our new topic is how I celebrate my birthday. You know very well that birthday is very special day for all, and my birthday comes on 17 September, and it is a very special day for me. Now I'm telling about how I celebrate my birthday.
Hmm.
First of all, I wake up early in the morning and I take a bless from my elders and my parents, and they blessed me and they said to me happy birthday, and then I go to the temple for worship,
Hmm.
and after that, then I go to the school
Hmm.
and I distribute toffees, chocolates to my friends and teachers, and my friends give gift me,
Hmm.
and it is a very special day, and after that. Came back from school.
Come
Uh,
back. हाँ.
my grandpa and my cousins come every year on my birthday, and in the evening I celebrate my birthday with my family, and my cousins give gift me
To me.
and to me, and they sang they sing a song, and they play music birthday, and and they they play music birthday, and after that my grandpa gave me lots of gift and money also, and they bless me so much, and and after that in the night we go for a meal, uh,
हम्म
we go for a meal, and
डिनर भी यूज कर सकते
after
हैं.
yes, and we celebrate we celebrate my birthday at City Park, GT, etc. And this is a very special occasion for me. And my parents spend money for me on this day very much. And so this way I celebrate my birthday. Thank you, sir. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. Very good, keep it up. Yes, come on, Priya.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is how do I celebrate my birthday? So my birthday comes on 23 March near the Holy festival, and first of all, I get up early in the morning, and then I pray to God for giving me this beautiful life.
शाबाश.
Then I go to bath and get ready, and I go to temple to worship the God, and then I came at home, and then I come at home. Then everyone wishes me my birthday, and then I eat my favorite dishes, and then on this day I stay energetic and fun and happy. Then I go to outside for visiting. I visit a lot of places and my favorite places also, and then I go then I purchase my favorite things also. When I came at home, my family members give surprise to me. They bring cake for me, and I cut cake. Then I distribute in all, and
To all.
then I do dance and click a lot of photos with them for making a beautiful memory, to capture beautiful memory in the phone. And then uh, and then and then I uh, talked with my sister.
Talked क्यों? Present में तो आएगा सारा.
I talks with my sisters, and my sisters try to make me happy on this day. And it is very beautiful day for me, and it is always stay remained and memorable for me. That's it, sir.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया. तेरी शक्ल अजीब सी लग रही है.
सर मैं सो के उठी हूँ इसलिए.
नहीं.
सर क्या हो गया?
पता नहीं. कुछ चेंज हुआ है क्या? नहीं. ओके, ठीक है, मुझे ऐसे लग रहा होगा. Yes, now Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore, and today's my topic is how I celebrate my birthday. As we all know very well that our birthday is very important, and very nice day for us, and it is a one of the best moment of our life. On this occasion, we are free to do all the things that we want to do, and on this day, we are free from all the things that we have.
Very
And
बढ़िया.
on my birthday, I celebrate my birthday very nicely, but my birthday unfortunately comes when I have my final papers.
Oh,
So
very good.
yes, so I celebrate my birthday, but while reading the subjects that I have to give the paper of. So on my birthday, as usual, I woke up early in the morning if I don't have any paper at that day, and in the morning and early in the morning and in the afternoon, I read the subject that I have to give paper of, and at the in the evening, start celebrating my birthday by with my family members. Like my mother make delicious foods for all our family members, and we eat together with brotherhood and a nice and in a nice manner. And in my view, celebrating our birthday with our family is one of the best moment of our life. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. खुशी गुजर.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kushi Gujjar. My topic is how to birthday celebrate. My, as you know that birthday is very special day.
शाबाश. शाबाश बेटा.
That day makes us feel good.
अरे very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. बनाया जाए. बोल दीजिए. हाँ.
My birthday come on 2 October. I celebrate my birthday in simple way. That day I wake up in early in the morning, and my family blessing me in this day.
Bless me. हाँ. Blesses me. हाँ. कोई बात नहीं. घबराए मत. ठीक है. आने दे. बोल तू.
I wear a new dress.
शाबाश.
And I go to temple on this day. And my mother cooks delicious food for me. And my friends wish me on this day. And I remain happy. And that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे ही रहा कर. बस ऐसे घबराया मत कर. इसको तो B21 वाले भी बोल सकते हैं. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के सेंटेंसेस बना बना के बोल सकते हैं अगर कोशिश करें तो. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन अनवी. अनवी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
On my birthday, I wake up and many wishes from my cousins and my grandparents say me happy birthday. So I tell thank you of all them.
शाबाश शाबाश.
Then I take my breakfast, and then I go to school. On my birthday, mostly holidays are happen. My birthday comes on 8 January.
पिंकी नाम लिखो अपना. नाम लिखोगे तब आएगा नंबर.
Then if it's not holiday on my birthday, I go to school. Then I distribute toffees to everyone.
वो पहले लिखा था आपने. अभी कहाँ लिखा है? अब लिखो. कब लिखा था नाम आपने अपना? मेरे को तो कहीं नजर आया नहीं है आपका नाम. बोलो बेटा तू.
Then I come home.
वो आपने काम चेक करवाने का नाम लिखा था. अब या स्पीकिंग के लिए नाम लिखो अपने. हाँ बोलो अनवी.
Then I come home. When I come home, everyone is there, like my cousins and my grandparents. Then I enjoy with them. Then night is
So I cut the cake. So that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसी कोशिश करो, बस करना चाहिए। थोड़ा ऐसे ही बोलो, चाहे बेशक अभी थोड़े दिनों में आप लोग भी आ जाओगे बोलने पे, है ना? यस, कम ऑन रश्मि, आ जाओ बेटा।
Good evening, my name is Rashmina. My topic is how I celebrate my birthday. First of all, I woke up early in the morning
Wake
and
up, not woke up.
I wake up early in the morning and I wear casual dress for my school and I take breakfast and I go to school and distribute toffees and I celebrate my birthday with my friends and teachers. After school, I watch phone and do some homework. In evening, about 6-7 p.m. I celebrate my birthday with my family and I cut cake and I invite some my close friends. That's why I celebrate my birthday. I love that day because no one scolded me that day. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, ठीक है। पिंकी, नाम नहीं तुमने पहले ही लिखा था, नाम बाद में नहीं लिखा तुमने कहीं नाम इसमें, देख लिया, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ इतनी देर से। मधु,
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. Today my topic, how do you celebrate my birthday? Birthday is very special day to everyone. This day I wake up early in the morning and meditate, and I am thankful to God for my birth, and then I take bath and I wear new clothes and I go to temple and worship. Then I return to home and my parents and siblings congratulate for my birthday, and I say thank you to everyone, and uh, I feel very happy and joyful, and my mother cook food. My mother cooks special food this day, and I take food with my family, and then I check my phone through messages. My friends gives a lot wishes for my birthday, and I give thank you to all my friends, and my birthday comes 14
on
October
14 preposition लगाओ।
on October. Uh, this day my sisters are not with me, and
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, हाँ।
so then in the evening I again go to temple, and then I return to home, and I do not have a birthday party because I distribute to everyone, uh, distribute sweets, chocolates to
शाबाश,
everyone,
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, हाँ।
and I celebrate in this way. I celebrate my birthday. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, शाबाश। Though today it is not your birthday, but I congratulate you. रिटर्न गिफ्ट देना मेरे को, चॉकलेट वॉकलेट कुछ। बहुत बढ़िया, यस। अंजलि, which Anjali is this? Because there is only one Anjali, so I think she is that Anjali. Yes, come on Anjali. ये भी गई क्या? कहाँ है? आजा। हाँ।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali. Today my topic is birthday, and my birthday comes on 1 November near the Diwali festival, and this day I get up early in the morning and I stay positive and happy and energetic. I feel energetic and I thank for God,
To God.
to God, uh, uh, given a beautiful day, given a
To
beautiful,
give me such beautiful day.
yes, sir. Then I take worship my mother and father and grandmother.
टेक क्यों आएगा यहाँ पे? ब्लेसिंग
Sir,
आएगा. ब्लेसिंग वर्शिप क्यों आएगा?
blessing, and then I go to bath and study. Then I go to temple with my mothers and my sisters. My mother, my sister.
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Then we worship God, and then we come to home, and my mother make delicious. My mother makes delicious food for me. Uh, we uh, we eat food with my all family members, and in the evening, my sisters make a beautiful plan for me, and then I cut the cake with my members. I distribute for all in all.
To all.
Then uh, all my all family member give some gifts and money, and then I dance with my sisters and all family members. Then click some photos with family members, and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है. Keep it up. हाँ पिंकी. पिंकी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Pinky Olia. I am the student of Ramban online classes. Today, my topic is how do you celebrate birthday? My birthday is come at July. This day, I am very happy, and I get up early in the morning. Then I go to morning walk. Then I come back my house. Then I bath. Then I worship God and my parents blessing to me.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
And I go to temple Govind Dev Ji, Tadkeshwar Mahadev Ji, Kalyan Man Ji, etc. Then I go to Gaushala with grass, and I give some banana to poor people.
Very good.
And I come back my house, and some toffee give me children. Children.
I give some toffees to children.
Yes, sir. And my family members go to a temple and city park, etc. And my sister blessing me lot of, and my friends give me blessing, and my best friend wish 12 a.m. And at evening my birthday celebrate with my family, and that day very special for me. And my mother cooks food, dal bati and my family members come in my house and my birthday celebrate with all family. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला है। वह कोशिश किया करो, बस ऐसी कोशिश करने से सब कुछ होता है। यस किरण, बाकी के भी आ जाओ, अगर बोलना चाहें तो B21 में से बोल सकते हो, कोशिश कर सकते हो। अनुज है,
Yes, sir.
जो भी है, कोशिश करो, अगर बोल सकते हो तो, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं है, कोई खास बात नहीं, बुलवा लेंगे हम, बाद में बुलवा लेंगे। यस किरण आ जा।
Today is my topic, my birthday. My birthday on 10 August. My birthday begins with Aarti.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ बोल बोल बोल।
Begins with Aarti. On that day, on that day, we give some books and gifts to the poor.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया है। छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना के बोलती रहे, बस बोल दोगे आप, उस लेवल पे हो आप, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है। सिंपल सेंटेंस के अफर्मेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस यूज कर करके बोल दोगे आप, बोलो।
Take blessings from all elders.
शाबाश।
All elders. My mother makes halwa on my birthday. On feeds on eat to the girls.
घबराए मत, बिल्कुल भी बोलती रहे तू।
Cut a cake at night and congratulate me. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसी कोशिश करो, बस हो गया काम, हो जाएगा। बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, आपका अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस चल रहा है, शाबाश। और कोई है भाई B21 में से कोई बोलना चाहता है? हाँ गर्वित आजा।
सर मैं
हाँ बोल ना, आजा आजा, बोल।
Sir, first I wake up in the morning and blessing from the elders.
गेट ब्लेसिंग फ्रॉम द एल्डर्स, कोई बात नहीं, बोलता जा तू आगे, घबराए मत।
Get blessing from the elders and I ready from going to school and I distribute toffee for my friends and I coming from the school. I play and we celebrate my birthday. Sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। और कोई आ जाओ, जिसको 2 लाइन बोलो, 4 लाइन बोलो, कोई इश्यू नहीं है, आप कोशिश करो। है कोई? आ रहा है कोई? डर रहे हो? कोई बात नहीं है बेटा, हम यहाँ पे भी ले आएंगे, तुम्हारे को बुलवाएंगे एक दिन, चिंता मत करो आप। ये सब भी ऐसे ही करते थे, सब ऐसे ही करते थे, ये सब ऐसे ही करते थे जो आज बोल रहे हैं ना, ये सब भी ऐसे ही करते थे। इनको भी मैं ऐसे ही पूछता था, क्यों, याद है क्या? हैं? तो बैठे रहते थे, बोलते नहीं थे, कुछ बोलते थे, फिर कुछ बैठे रहते थे, अब सब बोलते हैं। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।